Alrighty, what's going on, guys? My name is Alex Widuch and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a fun one. Yeah. Hit the boys. The nug skis. I'm really not doing well right now. I'm in pain. If you guys enjoyed today's video at any point, make sure you smash that like button. We're trying to hit 500 likes on today's video. Follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI if you're not already following. The TT, as you guys saw in the last video, I made a solid engine mount. I went out for a drive the other day and I twisted the engine mount. Because I'm running no dog bone, it has way too much play. I went ahead and I put these sidewalls on there with stainless steel so it doesn't twist as easily. I tried to untunican the hood a little bit and then closed it, and it's just been hitting. Let's get started on today's video. I'm gonna head on over to AutoZone because I snapped the serpentine belt once again. I think it's because the engine was playing around too much. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Enjoy the video. Let's get to it and let's have a day. So now that my nuggies are recovered, a lot of you guys ask me why I don't do the unicycle intros anymore, and that's the reason. Every single time that I do a unicycle intro, I wind up knocking my nugs. Boys, I'm trying to have kids. Not now, but maybe when I'm like 30, maybe 10 more years. I need to make sure that these bad boys are ready to go, ready to fly. So do it for the children. If you guys didn't already, make sure you grab some popcorn because today's video is going to be a good one. And today's Instagram shout out goes to Everett Johnson. Everett, thank you so much for using yesterday's hashtag. If you guys want to have the chance of your Instagram shout out in my video, all you got to do is use today's hashtag, which is #turbo, and leave your Instagram down below. And that is all you need to be entered into having your Instagram shout out in the next video. So right now we're heading on over to the local AutoZone because I snapped the serpentine belt in the TT the other day doing a 2 to 3 shift. We were getting a little bit rowdy. We're at like 5,600 RPM, almost 6,000. So I don't know if the RPM and the quick shift had something to do with it. Had a serpentine belt snapping issue. I thought I fixed it, but I assume not. But if you guys need any automotive parts, make sure you head on over to link in the description for ECS. I get a little kickback from that, and you guys obviously need European parts, and they're a good source for that. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know this move. I do it every single day. People are always tagging me in it. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, I call this one mirror top chillin', #MTC. If you guys do this, make sure you comment down below, #MTC, or if you just want to help support, I go everywhere like this. I drove all the way to Ocean City, Maryland from my house, which is in New Jersey, which is a 5.5 hour drive with my foot out the window the entire time. And my flexibility in my left leg is phenomenal, phenomenal. So we're mirror top chilling right now, about to pull up to AutoZone. So I got here, went inside, waited about 5-10 minutes because they're low on staff today. That's no big deal. I know how it is, but a lot of people here trying to buy parts. And when they finally got to me, they looked it up. Did not have what I needed. First I did the next best thing and I called Advanced Auto Parts, and the guy said they have one left. It was $25, where here last time it was $32. So it's $7 cheaper. And I've also got one coming up from Amazon in case I snap this one. I need one tomorrow. So I just got out of Advanced. I hope you guys are having a great day because I'm having an awesome day. I literally just bought this belt for $7 cheaper than I would have at AutoZone, and it also came with a 3-year warranty. And I was like, what happens if it snaps? And he's like, that's covered under manufacturer defect or whatever. So he said if I snap this thing, I could just bring it back. So fingers crossed that it doesn't snap, but it's nice to have that insurance. So they recently just paved this road right here, and you literally have to stay in the middle or else it's just like, my brother actually used to crack his wheel all the time on this road with his 335. He had a set of AGs on it and would always crack. So we just got back to the house and I'm actually really excited because now that I know that I could snap this, I do have another belt coming in tomorrow though, so it's nice to have a little bit of backup. Now that we have this old serpentine belt, we're gonna throw that away. This new serpentine belt seems like it's gonna do the trick. It looks a little bit short. I don't really know. Fish it right down in there to the bottom. Got my 17 mil on the ear of the tensioner pulley. My Allen key that I use as a locking pin for it to lock it in place. Got the tensioner pulley pulled back. Got the Allen key installed, so now it won't move. Last little push to get the belt on. Come on, all perfect down here. Now that I went ahead and got the serpentine belt all installed, I'm gonna go ahead and take the pressure off of the tensioner, take the pin out, so then this thing will all be lined up and perfect and tensioned. Got the pin all taken out. Got a good amount of tension on there, not too much. Everything's all lined up from the bottom, it looks good. Alright guys, so I got the car all set up, ready to go. I'm about to pull out, go get myself some lunch, and see where the day leads us. I'm pretty excited to see how this drives. Hopefully we make it all the way. As you guys know, this car has been giving me some issues the past couple of days, so it's a bit of a mystery. Will we make it to Burger King? I mean, but like I said, we got that warranty on the belt, so if the belt goes bad, you know what? We'll just head right back on over to Advanced. We'll get our new belt. So let's pull this thing off the blocks, head on over, and see how she drives. Thankfully, you haven't thrown a serpentine belt yet. I mean, there's no reason we really should, but I hate feeling like it's gonna snap. But trans mount still moves a little bit, but way less than it did before. It's still seeing flex, which really stinks, but whatever. Well, I got some good news. Pulled up to BK, you know, the most nutritious spot around. Not gonna lie to you guys, it's my first time ever eating Burger King chicken nuggets. They're trash. You see the displeasement in my eyes? I'd rank these things a 2 out of 10. I can hear an RX-7 pulling up in the distance. I'm getting excited. Yeah, baby. Nate with the pit bikers. I'm liking them, bud.
Thanks, man.
Dude, I'm excited.
Backflips yesterday.
Nate's hurting, boys. He's out here. He's limping away. He's got his 2 Mismatch shoes on. Are those the clean ones or the dirty ones?
The dirty ones.
You hate to hear it.
I haven't taken the other ones out of the box yet.
Hey, if you weren't aware, you can get a headache from this thing really easily.
Not aware yet. I haven't been in it long enough.
This thing will give you a headache. All right, so I always get the chocolate milkshake whenever I'm here, but last night I got a chocolate milkshake with some peanut butter in it. So I'm gonna try to finesse some peanut butter into this milkshake tonight. You allergic to peanut butter?
No, I love peanut butter, just not in a milkshake.
Nate sucks. Wallet acquired.
Oh no, not in the wash.
Huge update, I got the Alex Widuch milkshake. Come get it. It's chocolate with peanut butter. A1.
Just recording how low my dick.
That is a view. I almost freaking fell over. That's incredible.
Not actually, it's like up here.
It's in his throat.
Not mine.
Yes. Here, we'll hold together. Double team your girl.
I don't do that.
No way, I got Reese's Pieces on the top of
That's the Alex Widuch, it's a new flavor.
When you come to this place, Anderson Farm, get the Alex Widuch milkshake. They will know, these girls know best. Nate, are you jealous of this right now?
Pieces, yeah.
You got a lot of money there.
Not a whole, it's all one from my night job. I'm a stripper.
Nate, what would you rate the TT on a scale from 1 to 10, the way it looks right now?
Right now?
Yeah.
Honestly, I do like the camber in the rear.
-4.
-4?
-4.
The other side, it's either...
We can't talk about that.
killing me right now.
We can't talk about
My
that.
OCD's killing me right now. Yeah, I woke up late and then I had to mow my lawn and I didn't feel like driving. Hella pops!
Guys, put an F in the chat for Nate. He's about to get charged $1,000 for his phone on his insurance or whatever. The new iPhone 11 Pro
Maybe
Max.
not. I'm a smooth talker.
You hate to hear it, but Nate, she's looking good. She's been rubbing a little bit. I like it. I like to see that she's been eating some tire.
Yeah, well look at the rear. She's been eating a lot of tire.
Eating a lot of tire, and that's what we like to see. We love to see it. The TT's even posted up right now. Looking good.
Looks very pretty.
That's good.
Did that go?
I told Nate to roll backwards because this damn thing's so loud. Bye. I didn't get on video, but Nate just bump started that thing rolling backwards. Great man, great man. TT is looking good. We got some more stuff going on tonight, so there he goes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, but this tuna can hood looks kind of cool. I don't know, I did such a good job on cutting the hole that I kind of feel bad, but it kind of goes with the vibe of like, you know, just send it. I don't know if I should be embarrassed or not, but I bought this burger at 4:30. It's 6:15 right now. It's cold. I'd rate it on a scale from 1 to 10, a 2.5. I literally just pulled up to the gas pump. I've only put 10 miles on this car and already burned through half a tank. This thing's terrible. But the exhaust, it's been smacking the hood. I don't know, the mount's still a little bit floppy. You hate to hear it. I might make another solid dog bone mount, try to rethread the trans, but I think a wrench dropped out of my engine bay or something coming this way because I heard something bouncing all around and dragging underneath the car that was like metal, but hey, you know what? We enjoyed that back road. We're just exploring. Shout out to Jimmy Oaks, cool little K truck. And yes, Jimmy, they're called K trucks, not mini trucks, but hey, who really cares? I know I don't. Just listen to it, you ready? Beautiful, best sound ever. I don't know if you see them all the way in the back there, but I went to go take a turn on like half a mile, like 3 miles from my house. Cops sitting right in the parking lot. Now I have to take the 10-mile way home, probably like another 5 miles further than where I was already gonna go, but hey, these roads, you can't complain. We're having a good time. dark outside. We're about to head on over to my buddy's house. He's gonna run the Camber for us, and we're gonna go shoot some huge flames in Mexico. It's gonna take us a few days to get there, but man, we're gonna be shooting some huge flames out of this hood exit. And then you dip out the spot like a bad habit. Guys, we just got back from Mexico. I'm dropping Scott off right now. It's actually 3 days later. It's still nighttime again. Took us so long to get back, but thank you, Scott, for filming for me. Guys, go give Scott a follow on the gram right here. And guys, well, I made it home safely. The TT is sitting right. The Mark V is there. She is needing some love. But that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button. And if you didn't already like today's video, make sure you throw a like if you enjoyed. Remember, guys, keep smiling. Don't anyone put you down. Your build is unique to you, as I always say. I want to remind you on that, and I appreciate you guys coming back for more. So stay excited for the next video. Follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI, and mirror top chilling. Don't forget MTC. But guys, that's me a wrap. I'll talk to you later. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.